Hey Roger, how are you, brother? I'm going to show you what's going on. I am doing this recording right now on QuickTime. You go QuickTime, you open it up, you do new screen recording. Walk you through a couple things. Right here is means it's recording. I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now so that you can follow along and do this as well. Use some of these techniques and offer this for your customers. And when you become rich and famous, you can fucking buy me a steak dinner, bitch. Okay, let's get started. Our end goal looks something, well, actually, I'm just going to walk you through it. So, as you recall, here is the pole with the big hair light. This is some of the hair light flare you can see way up there. This is the gridded strip box shining on this side. There's another one over here. Another one right here. You can see that. Parting that light right there is a shot at 2.8, lower ISO, 85. I'm back pretty far, 1/250th. And I can shoot higher, faster, but shooting under 1/250, actually 1/320th, gives me more flash options. It's a technical thing. I won't get into it. Allows me a lot more flexibility in my lighting, and this is easy to shoot for somebody there. So here's what we're going to do. I have these presets right here for various things. This is actually for a fluorescent shoot that I did. There was so many, the inside was so yellow that I really cranked on the temperature to have to offset that. So when I do a lot of shooting, I'll make a preset so I can just ram that. Like this one right here was for outdoor motorcycle ride. It's a long story. But for the most part, this is my go-to, this portrait or this portrait 2. This one right here, I might crank it up just a little bit. Maybe about like that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to take this into Photoshop. And we're going to do some manipulation. I'm going to walk you through that. It's really simple. The main thing you got to do, I'm going to tell you about it in a second. It's going to pull in the modified file that we just played with. So all those little changes with exposure and clarity and all that, they're all right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see it's nice and crispy, even at 2.8. On second thought, I probably should have shot it like 5.6 or something like that. But here's what we're going to do. I'm grabbing this one right here, quick selection tool. I'm going to grab this. Hey, what are you doing? Let's go backwards. Grab this right here. I'm going to hit my cursor. I'm going to drag this. This quick selection tool is really slick. And the reason why it works so well, I'm going to let go and move it up here. The reason why it works so well is because that is really crispy because of the separation light. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. The separation light makes it work. Otherwise, things really blend in the background. Okay. You can see sometimes it does that wacky stuff. So I'm just going to go down through here. Looking through here. There it is. It got his neck instead of over here. Almost intuitive at times. Coming down through here. Oh, I don't see it. Where'd it go? There it is there. Ah, you can see, you can kind of see it's in here. So I keep dragging down here. I have to play with this a little bit. Down through here. I'm almost done. Almost done. A little bit right there. And it's going down here and it's coming across. I'm going to back out a little bit. And I'm look here. Just make sure I got around the whole outside. Right there. A little bit of his hair right here, so I'm going to do that. This is wacky hair. I'm going to go really slow. That doesn't really matter right there. We could do that right there. I'm going to go really slow through here because I had a problem before. See this Marian stuff? Just swooping right through that. Right now it's not going to catch that, and we want to get all that, so kind of dragging through here. And I can see that those marching ants is what they call these are gone. And looks like we're good. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. I'm going to do one last pass. Almost done. Looks like there's nothing in the center here. And we got a good effort on the outside. Hit Control J. Gives us a background layer right there. See that? Control J. I'm going to go back down here. I'm going to do adjustment layer, solid color. Boom. You see what happens in the background right there? Check that out, yo. There we go. See that? What was that, like 3 minutes? I'm going to take this file, close, save, and watch back here. This file is 2087. Now it's 2087 TIFF. Okay? I continue to manipulate it if I want to. I know that I need to play with this for the client for 16 by 9 because that's the size of their Jumbotron. 16 by 9. Something like that. Maybe something like that. The whole purpose of this was so I'm going to hit F key to blow it up. The whole purpose of this is we're going to put this guy on the side of the Jumbotron. Picture this big outside of the screen is a Jumbotron. And right here it says Marian University, number 20, Randy Smith, you know, freshman, guard, Fort Wayne, Indiana, whatever the hell. So that was it. You need to learn how to do that so you can come down here and buy me a big, fat steak dinner. Bitches. I'm out.